The Calary Useless Box is a cleverly designed novelty item that has captured the attention of many for its simple yet amusing function. Crafted from real wood, this compact box measures approximately 6.1 by 3.7 by 2.8 inches and weighs about 280 grams, making it a lightweight but tangible piece of craftsmanship. The natural wood color and solid construction give it a pleasing aesthetic that fits well on any desk or shelf, whether at home or in the office. It requires two AAA batteries, which are not included, to power its unique mechanism. The box comes fully assembled and ready to use, which adds to its convenience and appeal. The core feature of the Calary Useless Box is its playful interaction. When the user presses the push button on the box, a small mechanical finger emerges from inside to switch the button off, causing the box to shut itself down immediately. This action repeats endlessly, providing a continuous loop of humorous engagement. The simplicity of the concept is what makes it so entertaining. Watching the box turn itself off repeatedly can be oddly satisfying and serves as a lighthearted stress reliever. It is a perfect conversation starter and a fun distraction during breaks. Users have reported that the box works well when batteries are properly installed and the internal switch is correctly positioned. Some initial difficulties have been noted with units that did not work out of the box, often due to the internal switch needing to be flipped or batteries needing to be replaced. Once these issues are resolved, the box operates smoothly and reliably. The mechanism is quick and precise, with the finger popping up just long enough to turn off the switch before retreating back inside. This rapid motion adds to the comedic effect and keeps users entertained. The Calary Useless Box has been praised for its quality relative to its price point. The wood finish is attractive, and the build, while lightweight, is sturdy enough for regular use if handled with care. It is not a heavy-duty item, so gentle handling is recommended to maintain its longevity. The box also offers a small internal space that can be used to store tiny items like jewelry or keys, although this is secondary to its main function. This product shines as a gag gift or a novelty item for those who appreciate quirky gadgets. It has been well received in various social settings, including offices and family gatherings where it brings laughter and lighthearted fun. Many users have gifted it to friends, family members, or colleagues, often with great success. It is especially popular among those with a good sense of humor or a love for nerdy, playful gadgets. Despite its charm, there are a few drawbacks to consider. The absence of included batteries means buyers must supply their own, which can be a minor inconvenience. Additionally, the box's label prominently displays "Useless Box," which some users feel detracts from its surprise element as a gift. A few customers have experienced units that did not function properly, but these issues were typically resolved with troubleshooting or battery replacement. Overall, the Calary Useless Box offers a unique blend of simplicity, humor, and craftsmanship. It is a delightful item that provides endless amusement through its self-turning off mechanism. Whether used as a stress reliever, a desk toy, or a gag gift, it delivers consistent entertainment and is a great value for the money. For anyone looking to add a touch of whimsy and laughter to their day or to surprise someone with a memorable present, this box is an excellent choice. If you own this item, leaving a review in the comments helps others make informed decisions and supports the community of gadget enthusiasts.